In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add some additional editing changes once you've made an image black and white. So in this particular case, I have created this black and white image, and now I'm going to go back to my image adjustments, or as I would say, the black and white cookie, and I'm going to choose levels. Our properties box comes up. We have a histogram showing the range of darks, midtones, and highlights in our image. And we can adjust it according to that histogram. We can also, sometimes I just choose the auto button, and that will automatically adjust the levels in your image. It will decide where those dark should be, where those lights should be. This button right here is nice. This resets it to the default, the way it was when you opened it, so you can always click back and modify it there. We also have some presets. You can try some of those, and that will, it's kind of like auto, but a more specific type of auto, either increasing the contrast, making the midtones brighter, lightening shadows, so on and so forth. So you can try that. The other option is you can just kind of slide right here on the histogram, as I stated. So if you notice, everything is, darker on the left and it's lighter to the right in terms of your histogram. So if I move this far left item, it will get very, very dark. You will have a range more of your darks. So this would be more of like a low key image, which is darker. If we move the slider bar here left, we're increasing the amount of highlights. So this would kind of blow out those details, and this would be more of a high key image in terms of value. So high key or low key, we're going to get more into detail with that as we go. But that might add some interest to your image if you want to really darken it or really lighten it. The other thing you'll notice when you add a levels change, it adds on top of the black and white change. So in your layers box, we did the black and white change, and now I've added this levels. And those things can be flipped around. It may or may not make a difference, but basically we have it black and white, which is adding on to this background layer, and then the levels is kind of adding on top of the black and white, adding on top of the image. So it's this whole layers of changes.